Most people don't understand what AI coding or vibe coding is. They probably have used Lovable, Cursor, created some simple programs, or might have seen some post or video by a founder claiming that they have built $1 million application during a weekend. But that's not what AI coding is. So I wanted to give you a glimpse of how I am using AI coding to build Sukana. Sukana is an application for marketing agency to create video advertisement to post on Facebook. It has a Python fast API backend and React frontend. I use Claude Code Max, $100 plan, and I use it in the terminal window that is integrated with my Visual Studio Code. This is the best setup that anybody can use right now. The second best is using VS Code with GitHub Copilot that allow you to use Sona 4.5, which is amazing. I'm using Opus 4.1. And I switch between 4.5 and 4.1. In this particular scenario, I am enhancing a code that generate a lot of hooks and a script. And I have been having this back and forth conversation with Claude Code Max. It gave me some ideas and some options. And I said, that's not what I want to use. I want to use batch processing. And I said, I have copied some of the documentation in this folder for you to see. So I provided these documents to be able to do that. First, I have to understand what options are. I found batch processing. I gave the hyperlink, but I was not satisfied that it will do a good job reading all that web pages. So I copied all of them here as an MD file in one of the folder, and I gave the URL of that folder as well. And then ask it to read everything and come up with an idea based on that, and said, excellent approach. It did all that. And then I have to read everything that it has written. And I said, no, you're not getting what I'm saying. I am suggesting we generate hook and a script at the same time. And my point, you have to do the groundwork. I had to go and read all those options myself so I understand what is the best option. I have to read the 7 options that it gave, and I rejected all of them and trying to implement this new option. And then it went back and then it created this entire plan. I have to remember to switch between plan mode and agent mode and all that. And now I had to read this entire plan, and I will be making more adjustment to it. And then I will execute it. And then one of the things that I do is to use this Python debugger and go line by line. I can show a demo of how I use that in another video, but it's incredible that how you can go inside your code, each flow line by line, and see exactly what's being produced at each time, or what's being produced at different point in time in different methods. And that allow you to be able to figure out the problems in your code really well. Also to understand exactly what's happening under the hood. So in this small video, I hope I was able to give you a glimpse of what this means to build a complex enterprise level application that is secure, that has a complex processing, solving a real business problem using AI and using your own experience and mind. So if you have any follow-up question, let me know.